Solve 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x all on 9 equals 81. Let's look at the solution. So given 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x all on 9 equals 81. We want to find x. So how do you find x in this equation? From here, 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x are like terms. Therefore, it can be added. Now, when we add all of this, this is giving us 3 into bracket 3 to the power of x all over 9 equals 81. From here, 3 can go into 3 can go into 9. So therefore, this 3 will cancel this 1, cancel here 3. What is left? 3 to the power x all on 3 is equal to 81. From indices, 3 to the power x and 3 is the same as 3 to the power 1, which can now be written as 3 to the power x, then divided by 3 to the power 1 equals 81. From indices, given a to the power m divided by a to the power n, this is a to the power m minus n. So from here, you have 3 to the power x minus 1 is equal to 81. 81 can be written as a number in index form, which is 3 to the power x minus 1 equals 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power 4 means 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. 3 multiplying itself 4 times. Over here, we have an initial equations where the bases are the same. The basis being the same, all that is required, you equate the exponent to the exponent here, which implies that x minus 1 is equal to 4. Since you after x, we group our like terms, which now will give us x is equal to 4. The minus 1 comes here as 1 plus 1. Therefore, our x is equal to 5. Let's verify and see if our answer of 5 is correct. So given 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x plus 3 to the power x all on 9 being equal to 81. Now since x is 5, then I have 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 plus 3 to the power 5 all over 9. Let's see. 3 to the power 5 with our calculators, which is 243 plus another 243 plus another 243 all over 9. With this, 243 plus 243 plus 243, that is giving us 729. So 729 divided by 9. What are we getting? So our answer is 81, which suggests that our x is indeed equal to 5. See you on the next one.